We're camping in our backyard tonight. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm gonna set it up, get our snack packs together, and all of that wonderful stuff. Okay. This is my tent. Of course, you had the fan in there. It gets hot. This is the kids' tent. And they were so comfortable. And this is our midday fire prior to putting up everything.
I don't like the...
What? The burnt part.
So this is the finishing touches. Those are our tented, and I have the little potty tent over in the corner. I'll show you later. I don't want it. Mommy, I don't want it.
Perfection.
Mom, look here. Yours is burned.
That's what s'mores are, Yuri. No, now you need to get your chocolate and graham cracker.
Little Miss Yuri was so excited to take pictures. She kept saying, "This is a girl sleepover. No boys allowed. Let's take pictures, Mommy." She's so cute. She's grown up so fast. Now, this is the potty tent. This is where you go potty. And this is the following morning. It felt amazing in the morning, especially with the fan.